no more stress.
Let's dive into the fascinating process of SleepM mattress production. SleepM begin with the foundation, the base layer of the mattress, meticulously built with precision to ensure stability and long-lasting support. Next, various layers of materials are carefully laid down, each one playing a crucial role in providing comfort and durability. The padding and fabric are meticulously arranged to create the perfect sleeping surface. The process begins with a base layer that provides foundational support. On top of this, additional layers are added, including organic wool, graphene, natural latex, memory foam, and microcoils, each with its own unique properties. Some layers are designed to enhance breathability, ensuring a cool and comfortable sleep. Others add softness and cushioning, while still others contribute to the overall structural integrity of the mattress. Every layer is essential, made SleepM organic mattress working together to create a harmonious balance that caters to different sleeping preferences and needs. Once the materials are set, the organic mattress is sewn together. This step secures the layers, ensuring everything stays in place for years of restful sleep. Now, the springs are installed, offering essential support and responsiveness. The combination of these springs helps distribute weight evenly, making the mattress comfortable for all sleep positions. To ensure SleepM high-quality product, we employ an advanced air jet system. This state-of-the-art technology effectively removes any remaining dust, debris, or microscopic particles that may have settled during the production process. The powerful air jets meticulously clean every inch of the mattress, ensuring that it is pristine and free from any contaminants. This thorough cleaning process not only enhances the overall hygiene of the mattress, but also prepares it perfectly for the next stage of production. By using this advanced air jet system, SleepM guarantee that our mattresses meet the highest standards of cleanliness and quality. The organic mattress is then carefully compressed using specialized machinery, a process that takes about 52 seconds. This step is critical as it reduces the size of the mattress for easier shipping and handling. The compression process involves several stages, starting with the mattress being placed on a conveyor belt. It is then guided into the compression machine, where powerful hydraulic presses squeeze it down to a fraction of its original size. This not only makes the mattress more compact, but also ensures it can be packaged efficiently. Factory workers monitor the entire process to ensure quality and consistency, making sure each mattress meets the required standards before it is shipped out to customers. After compression, the mattress is transformed into a compact cylindrical shape, which allows for more efficient and convenient packaging. Finally, the compressed organic mattress is boxed up by our skilled team, ready to be shipped to customers, where it will expand and offer years of comfort and support.
For the SleepM, no more stress.